Sup fam? Riding on my new wheels. Just got the other day. Yeah. My new wheels, man. Cause my vehicle's shot. This is what we're rolling with now, boys. We're going all the way up to the pizza shop. Gonna make that dough for the bread. So we ain't gotta be scrubbed up no more. Wish me luck, y'all. Watch me roll. Yeah. Woo. Oh yeah. I gotta actually take it for a spin. You think I'm joking about this pizza shop shit? You think I'm joking? No, this is my new ride, y'all. All I gotta do is put a basket on the butt end of it. Be gone.
Lights are bright on the phone.
Yeah, it don't matter. That camera app is a piece of trash. I need a new one. The settings in that suck. Massive shame. It just does what it wants to. I mean, it'll capture something. It ain't gonna be good. No, about trash. Yeah, but I need to take it. No one even funny. That was supposed to be funny. It wasn't funny.